Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a kind and curious boy named Ollie. Ollie loved nature more than anything. Every morning, he would wake up early, help his parents with small chores, and then spend hours exploring the countryside. One sunny day, while walking near the edge of the village, Ollie discovered an old path he had never seen before. Curious as always, he followed the path through thick bushes and colorful wildflowers. At the end of the path stood a huge mango tree. It was the biggest mango tree Ollie had ever seen. Its branches stretched wide like giant arms, and golden mangoes hung from every branch. The tree seemed to glow softly in the sunlight. Wow, Ollie whispered. I've never seen such a beautiful tree. As he stepped closer, he heard a gentle voice. Welcome, Ollie. Ollie looked around in surprise. There was nobody there. Who said that? He asked. I did, replied the voice. Ollie stared at the tree in amazement. You can talk? He asked. Yes, said the tree. I am the magic mango tree. I have been waiting for someone kind and honest. Ollie's eyes widened with excitement. Really? Why? Because kindness is the greatest magic of all, said the tree. The tree offered Ollie a ripe mango. Take this mango and share it with someone in need. Ollie thanked the tree and carefully carried the mango home. On his way, he met an old woman sitting beside the road. She looked tired and hungry. Without hesitation, Ollie gave her the mango. The old woman smiled warmly. Thank you, child. Your kindness will be rewarded. The next morning, Ollie returned to the tree. You shared the mango, didn't you? Asked the tree. Yes, Ollie replied. The tree's leaves rustled happily. For your kindness, I will give you another magical mango. This mango was different. It sparkled like gold. What is special about this one? Ollie asked. Plant its seed after eating it, said the tree. Ollie did as he was told. He planted the seed near his home and watered it every day. Within a week, a small plant appeared. Within another week, it had grown into a strong young mango tree. The villagers were amazed. How did it grow so fast? They asked. Ollie simply smiled. Soon, the tree produced delicious mangoes. Ollie shared them with everyone in the village. The villagers loved the sweet fruit. As time passed, Ollie continued visiting the magic mango tree. Each visit taught him an important lesson. One day, the tree said, "Ollie, today I have a challenge for you." "What kind of challenge?" asked Ollie. "Near the river lives a farmer whose crops are dying because he cannot carry enough water to his fields. Help him." Ollie immediately went to the farmer. The farmer looked worried. "My crops will not survive much longer," he said sadly. Ollie spent several days helping the farmer carry water from the river. It was hard work, but he never complained. Slowly, the crops became healthy again. The grateful farmer thanked Ollie. "You saved my harvest," he said. When Ollie returned to the magic mango tree, it dropped 3 shining mangoes. "These are rewards for your hard work," said the tree. Ollie took the mangoes home and shared them with his family. One evening, a rich merchant heard rumors about the magical tree, a tree that gives rewards. He said greedily, "I must find it." The merchant followed Ollie secretly and discovered the tree. The next morning, he arrived with large baskets. "Give me all your mangoes," he demanded. The tree remained silent. "I said give me your mangoes," the merchant shouted. He climbed onto a branch and started grabbing fruit. Suddenly, the branches gently shook. All the mangoes disappeared before he could pick them. The merchant jumped down in shock. Where did they go? The tree finally spoke. "Magic only works for those with kind hearts." The embarrassed merchant returned home. When Ollie visited later, the tree explained, "Greed can never unlock true magic." Ollie nodded thoughtfully. Weeks passed, and the village became happier and more prosperous. People helped one another, inspired by Ollie's example.